Hey ladies, it's your girl Imani. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you decided to click on today's video and join me today. I'm really excited about today's video because I will be unbagging for the first time the IPSY GLAM BAG Plus. Yes. Want to see what I received in my September bag? Keep on watching. As I mentioned in the beginning, I am really excited to talk about this September IPSY GLAM BAG Plus. Look at this bag. This is super cute. Oh my goodness. When I saw this, I was like, oh, this is adorable. It has like this corduroy texture. I think it is corduroy. Pretty like orange or mustard drawstrings, and it has the IPSY logo or tag on the corner here. I'm really excited today as well. Before, you know what, one more thing before I get started, I wanted to say thank you to IPSY because for those of you who saw my last month's unbagging, one of the products that I received came damaged, and I wanted to say thank you because they replaced my Laura Craft Beauty highlighter, the one that cracked as soon as I opened it. I'll leave that link down below for those of you who were interested or are interested in that particular video. I'll leave it down below. Get into this September box or bag. Again, I cannot get over this. This is super cute. I really love this bag. So really, Imani K Beauty approved. Check when it concerns this bag. So let's get into it. So the first item that I received in my Glam Bag Plus is the Laura Geller Spackle Mist Restore. I think it says Restore. And this is what it looks like. It's packaged really well, so I'm not going to even try to take the packaging off, but as you can see, it's a full-size bottle. If it was any other bag, it would be like a little small size, but again, this is the Glam Plus bag, so you get a full-size product. So I'm really liking it, and I do like Laura Geller products, so I'm really excited. The next full-size product I pull out, it looks like it is a, who is this? GoldFaden MD. I think it's a skincare product. You know I love skincare products. I'm really excited. Yes, it's a brightening elixir. Look at this. The box got a little smushed, I guess from being in the mail. So we're gonna open that. It's an elixir. I'm already liking the packaging. You know, it's green. It's really earthy. And this is what it is. Take it out. Oh, look at that. Put the box down right here. So this is what it looks like. Can you see that? All right, it has like a little pump. I'm really liking this. So it's an elixir, obviously for your skin. Great for dry to combination skin. I never had this brand before. The GoldFaden or Golden Faden MD. Never had this product before, so I'm really looking forward to trying it. And again, it's a brightening elixir. What else does it say? It's the first dermatologist developed natural skincare brand. Okay now. And it has so many other ingredients on here, but it's absolutely terribly small, so I am not going to even try to read this to you, but as always, I'll leave all the information down below. But once again, I have a full-size skincare elixir product, and I'm really excited about that. Yes, love it. This bag is so cute. I cannot get over it. I mean, look at this bag. You can just stuff all your goodies in, especially when you're traveling, and you are good to go. I can't get over how cute this bag is. All right, I received a couple of Murad products in the past, and I really enjoy their products. Again, normally they're really small, but since this is the Glam Bag Plus, you get a full-size product. All right, so this is their Essential C Dry Moisturizer, broad spectrum, SPF 30. All right, so another brightening serum, and what I like about this is that it has a SPF in it, and we know how important that is, right? Even if it's not summertime, the sun is always shining. So even with the season and the weather changing, we have to make sure that our skin is moisturized and protected from the sun. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a clear packaging, so you can actually see the product inside. Really cute. Kind of goes with my nails today. But this is what it looks like. I don't know how it smells, or it has a pump. It has like a little tubing. We won't know until we actually open it, right, Imani? Oh, this is different. So it's like a little teeny little spout. That's different. Pour a little bit on my hand. Oh, okay, I like that. So even though the spout looks big, there's a little hole at the top, so you don't have to worry about making a mess or, you know, releasing too much. So I like that. I really like that. So it looks like a little is gonna go a long way. Ooh. Oh, this smells really nice. Really, really nice. It smells like citrus, almost like it has like a light citrus in it. I'm not a major citrus fan as far as fragrance, but it's not terrible. I really like it. And we know how important vitamin C is as well. Again, it has SPF in it, broad spectrum 30, according to the box. And this is by Murad. They're really a great skincare brand. I really enjoy them. I have their acne treatment cleanser, and I've really been using that and enjoying it tremendously. So I'm really looking forward to using this as well. But I love how it just melts into my skin. Just that little pinch that came out, I think a little is going to go a long way with this. This is an eye cream, y'all. This is an eye cream by Nature Village, and I'm really excited to try this. I think I mentioned it in another video how I don't particularly use a lot of eye cream, but now that, you know, I'm getting older and you're starting to see a little bit of things, you want to start paying attention to one of the thinnest areas of our face, and that's the skin around and above our eyes. And it's necessary to take care and hydrate and moisturize and all that good stuff. So whenever I see something like this, I definitely make sure I take advantage of it. So we'll see how I like. Okay, I just I just let out a little bit, and it's kind of like clear, like not too white, but it has a little, I don't know, it's kind of clear to me. It's not as white as the other cream. Oh, look at that. It melts right into my skin, which I think makes sense because it's an eye cream. It actually feels cooling too. Ooh, it smells good. This actually, can't even read everything that's on here. See, it's really small on the back, but it almost has like a menthol-y type of sensation, like that cooling sensation, which I love. So last but not least, as far as the 5 full-size products, is this product here that I can't tell what it is in this clear packaging. It's written kind of weird. Let me open it and see if I can get a better view. I'm trying to see what this is. Ooh. All right, let's see together. So clear, I can't see. Can you see? It says it right here, but I can't tell what that says. The packaging is really pretty. Let's see if we can read it together. Can you guys see? This is, oh, okay. It's mascara. Shut up. This is the mascara. It's called Lash Snack. I absolutely love that. It's called a Lash Snack. Ooh. I don't know why I'm smelling it, but you never know. Look at this. This is very dainty. Ooh. I think this will be good for like the bottom lashes and maybe like the ends of the lash. The outer corner, I mean, of the lashes, and maybe the inner corner too if you go like this. So I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna play around with this because, you know, once again, I really enjoy a good mascara, and I really like the name of it. It's so cute. Lash Snack. It's a little snack. So maybe like if you just need to pick me up, your eyelashes need a little help, this would work for you. So I'm definitely gonna you know, get more information on this, and I think it's just black. I think it says black at the bottom. Can you see that? It's written so small, I'm so sorry, but this is the packaging that it came in, so it was definitely not easy to see. But yeah. Oh, I see a little bit down here where it says Lash Snack right there. Just like the Imani K Beauty approved. Check. Because of the packaging. I cannot get over it. It's so super pretty. Super pretty. In the beginning, I did take advantage of some add-ons, which is an option that you can participate in when you are about to receive your monthly bag. So the first item that I have as an add-on, of course, is a miniature product, and I believe this is the Tarte mini Tarte mascara. It's called Big Ego, the Big Ego mascara. I've heard of it before, but I've never had the opportunity to try it. Wow, look at that. Look at that. This is bananas. So yeah, I can't wait to try that. And they do have options where you can get full-size items as well, but of course the price goes up. These were like $3, $5, $10. This. I had RealHer eyeshadow before, and I think another highlight palette I received from them, and I wasn't too crazy about it. So I'm not sure how I feel about that, but I do like the packaging. The packaging is really pretty. Give you that marble, that white marble feel. So let's see how this looks. Okay, it looks really pretty. It comes with a small little pan. Thank God it's not damaged. You know, I'm a little paranoid after what happened in my last unboxing, but this is what it looks like, and it comes with a cute little mirror. And the shade is on the box somewhere. Let me see if I can see it for you real quick. No, but I'll leave it down below as I always do, but I'm going to give you a quick swatch. It feels really good, has a familiar texture from other highlights that I have. Look at that, really pretty. It has like a buttery type of feel to it. Feels kind of wet, and it has a wet finish, which is the type of highlights that I like. I don't like too much glitter, you know, not all the time anyway. Last but not least, what do I have here? Let's see. This is, what does that say? PYT, the brand PYT. And I think this is an eyeshadow. Yes. Oh, actually it's a quad. It's a mini quad. Super cute. And I think this is great if you're on the go and you just want something muted but with a little pop of boldness, like this shade here. Especially, like I said, fall and winter is coming up. So I think this is super cute. And it has the shades and the names right up here and how to use it. If it's for the crease, if it's for the mobile lid, you know, it tells you how to use it. So I thought this was really cute. So that's basically everything that I added on. I think for the most part, I love everything that I received. If you notice, I didn't receive any lipsticks or anything like that. Everything was basically skincare. You know, eye cream, moisturizer, with the exception of the Lash Snack mascara, which I'm super excited about. So I will definitely leave all that information down below and give you my honest review in the weeks to come, as I always do. Once again, remember to follow me here on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button if you got this far in the video. And please remember to like and share. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my blog, 𝐼𝑚𝑎𝑛𝑖𝐾𝐵𝑒auty.blogspot.com. Until next time, God bless you. And remember, beauty begins within first. I'll see you in my next video. God bless. Bye, ladies.